it's moving again. Now we do unboxing of the Yalumba. For you guys don't know, it's a Yalumba signature. I know. Yeah, baby. Hey, go. So you're gonna have to pull it on me. Nice. Yalumba signature, or the signature. Cabernet Sauvignon Shiraz. Since 1962, celebration of wine and people, the Great Australian Red. That's what it's called. Oh, there's few types. She made it. Louisa Rosé, or Rose. What to expect? Okay. Ooh. And that's her. Num 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 num. There's 6 of them. Okay. And there you have it. There's 6 wines in this box. It's I believe it's a limited edition, I think. I might be wrong. I'm not a wine drinker. But oh well. Bye.